Hello children, in our last class we discussed the passive pattern of present tenses. But today we are going to discuss about the passive pattern of past tenses and modal tenses. Now we will see the passive pattern of past simple tense. The passive pattern is object followed by was or were and then V3 followed by other words, then by agent. We will change the voice of the sentence I wrote an essay. You see, there is an object in the sentence. Find it out? Very good. By using what, we will get the object an essay. After the lexical verb, by using what, we will get its answer. So, an essay is the object. Now we will change its voice. An essay is the singular. So, was will be used, then was. And wrote is the lexical verb and the third form of the verb is written. And here, by agent is no more required because I is the subject and I is a personal pronoun. So, object is an essay, then was is used and then V3 is used. And there is no other words and no by agent required in this sentence. Dear children, change the voice of the sentence. Abhay told me a story. You find out the object of the sentence. Very good. Me is an object. Why? Because after the lexical verb, by using whom, we will get the answer me. So, me is an object. And here is another object. Which one? Which one is the object? A story. So, a story is the direct object. By using what? After the lexical verb, we will get its answer. That means, Abhay told me what? A story. Abhay told whom a story? Me. So, there are two objects. When there are two objects, one object will be used while we change its voice. So, we will change its voice. If me is an object, I will be used. I followed by what? Then was or were? Then we will use was. And was followed by here told. Because tell, told, told. Told is the third form of the verb. So told is used. And then a story will be used. Because here is the a story is other words. And here other words followed by what? By agent. By Abhay. I was told a story by Abhay. Or we will change its voice in this way. A story was told me by Abhay. We will change its voice as well. Dear children, we will discuss the passive pattern of past progressive tense. Here the passive pattern is object followed by was or were, then being followed by V3, then other words and then by agent. And we will change the voice of the sentence Ananya was singing a song. Find out the object from the sentence. Very good. A song is the object. After the lexical verb by singing, we will get the object a song by using what? Then change its voice. Very good. A song. A song is the singular. So was is used. Then was followed by what? Being. Being is followed by V3. And here singing is the lexical verb. So sing is the main verb. The third form of sing is sang by Ananya. So, Ananya is the subject of the sentence. So, by agent is used here. So, in this way, we will change its voice. The full sentence is, a song was being sung by Ananya. Dear children, change the voice of the sentence. He was painting the doors. Find out the object from the sentence. Very good. The doors is the object. How? By using what after the lexical verb painting, we will get the object the doors. So we will change its voice right now. The doors. Doors is the plural. So we will use where. Then where followed by what? Being. Very good. And being followed by V3. So which one is the verb? Paint is the verb. So what is the third form of the verb paint? Painted. Very good. Then we will use painted. By him. So him, by him is no more required. Why? Because it is a personal pronoun. So by agent is no more required. We may use, we may not use. Next, let's see the passive pattern of past perfect tense. The passive pattern of past perfect is object followed by had, then been followed by V3, that means the past participle form of the verb, then other words, and finally the by agent. Now change the voice of the sentence. They had decorated the room. Find out the object from the sentence. Very good. The room is the object. Why it is an object? Because after the lexical verb decorated, by using what we will get its answer. Now change the voice. The room. Here object followed by had. Then we will write had. Had followed by what? Then been. Then we will use been. And here been followed by V3. As it is in the past perfect tense, V3 or past participle form of the verb is given. So we will write decorated. And here by agent is no more required because the subject of the sentence is a personal pronoun they. Dear children, change the voice of the sentence. Manas had played football. Very good. So football is the object. How we will change? We will change football had. Had then followed by been, then played by Manas. Next we will discuss the passive pattern of modal simple. And the passive pattern is object followed by modal verb, then be followed by V3, then other words, then by agent. And we will change the voice of the sentence. My friend will buy a car next year. Find out the object from the sentence. Very good. A car is the object. So we will change its voice. A car. Then modal verb is here will. Then we will use will. And will followed by what here? Be. And be followed by V3 of the past participle form of the verb. Here the lexical verb is by. And what is the third form of the verb? Very good. Bought. And bought. And what is the other word here? Next year. Then we will write next year. And then by agent is used by my friend. So the sentence is a car will be bought next year by my friend. Let's take another example to change the voice. Everyone should obey the traffic rules. Find out the object. Very good. The traffic rules. The traffic rules should, here modal verb followed by be, then we will use be. And which is the lexical verb here? Obey. What is its third form or past participle form? Obeyed. Very good. Then we will obeyed. And here by agent is no more required because everyone is an indefinite pronoun. The indefinite pronouns are everyone, everybody, someone, somebody, anyone, anybody, no one, nobody. If these are used as the subject of the active voice, by agent is no more required. Next, we will discuss the passive pattern of modal perfect. And the passive pattern is object followed by modal, then have followed by been, then past participle form of the verb or verb 3, then other words, then by agent. Now change the voice of the sentence. The workers will have mended the bridge by July 2021. Find out the object from the sentence. Very good. The bridge. So you will use the bridge in the beginning of the sentence. Bridge. And which is the modal verb here? Will. So will is used. Will followed by what? Have. Then we will use have there. And have followed by what? Been. Then we will use been. And as it is in the perfect modal perfect tense, past participle form of the verb is given mended. So we will use here mended by July 2021 by the workers. If by agent is not used in the sentence has no harm. That means the bridge will have been mended by July 2021 by the workers. Let's take another example to change the voice. My uncle would have built a new house. Find out the object. Very good. A new house is the object. So a new house. Here modal verb is would. Then we will use would here. Would followed by have. Then been. Then been followed by built. Then by my uncle. Today we discussed the passive pattern of past tenses and modal tenses. Thank you children. Bye bye.